Yeah, one little lunge. Okay, ready? All right, it's me and Aaron cruised for like 10 minutes, maybe. And I lost complete power. We're trying to figure out everything. I lost power to the MSD box and my fuel pump. Sean, I think we're about to make you proud, buddy.
Very proud.
You're about to be proud of us, Sean. So come over here. Let's go to this other side over here for a second. We were just gonna go for a late night cruise. I wasn't gonna video anything.
55 fixed.
Yeah, Aaron finally got the 55 out. That's why I was kind of excited.
Transmission got put in today.
Check that out. You guys see that red wire? That normally doesn't go there. Follow it, follow it, follow it. For some reason, we lost power to the switch inside there. And yeah. Like magic. Everything turns on and works. Let me, all right.
Best work yet.
Yeah, this might be our best work yet. Check that out.
Strip the end.
Yeah.
Underneath
we
the
have no
screw.
tools either.
Yeah.
I don't know. Hopefully it'll work. I don't know. Yeah. All right, let's go. Man, I love that truck. Basically what we have today is I got a broken shock. Went right there. We got to address that. Not only do we need to address that, this truck needs some attention. All my stuff gets put out to pasture basically outside under there, under my tree out front, or on the side of the house I guess I should say. And it just rots, you know, while I work on everybody else's stuff. In my garage I don't have enough room really to put more than one vehicle. So my stuff gets left outside, and lack of maintenance, lack of driving them, and whatever else, things happen. You know, it's an old truck. But so today I'm gonna get this welded back on. And if you've seen in the previous clips when we drove it the other day, well, it's been a while now, it's been about a month now, the power wire for whatever reason decided to, the main power wire to the switch that activates the MSD ignition and everything, decided to quit. So I'm going to rewire that, run the line a little better. It's probably just going to be a patch job again until I can really get the truck inside, and really it needs to be taken apart. The front end was never supposed to stay like this. It's not really finished. It's kind of just hodgepodge together. It is what it is. It was only supposed to be like that for a car show, and then it was supposed to be taken apart, and we never just finished it out. I got new tires for the back. Aaron actually donated me some tires. Appreciate him. But these tires are weather checked, so I need to get some tires on this thing because cruising and car shows are coming up, and this thing is literally just falling apart. So I want to make sure it's good to go, nut and bolt everything, go through the oils and all that stuff. And yeah, so yeah, that's on the agenda today. Right now, main thing is getting the shock. I drove it the other day without the shock like that, and it drove terribly. It hopped and walloped to one side, and I didn't like it. So let's start there. Let's grab the welder and pull it out and see what we get. All right, got it. Hopefully we can just slide that off of there and get it welded on. The shock is still good. It's actually really stiff still, so that's good. You can hear everything working inside of it. It's very hard to dampen or push down, I guess I should say. So that's good. Whoopsie. Okay. Ooh, it's got a nice bevel on it. I like that. I can weld that. Let me grab the welder. Well, definitely not my prettiest work. I think that'll get the job done. That'll work out just fine. Kind of a big weld, but that's alright. Let it cool down, I'll put some paint on it, and then put the shock back on. Hopefully it all works, because it should. Hopefully it all works, because it should. Might have to be my new saying. I was gonna grind that weld, but it ain't that ugly, honestly. It was on the verge of being too hot. I was like literally almost blowing through that, so I probably could have cooled it down a little bit, but that's all right. Put a little bit of that on there. Both sides. We'll slap the shock on there and see what we get. And of course, that's the wrong size. That's 11/16. Not 3/4, but the top one's 3/4, so I was half right. Got the right one this time. Yep. Get it off there. It's the end of the day, so I'm trying to hurry because I got to go pick up my niece from school. So, try and get this put back together so I can go get her real quick. Then when I get back, I can kind of done for today. Got a lot of editing and stuff I gotta do. So I'm done, go on there. There it goes. It's good that it's tight, for sure. Always want your shocks tight. Don't want them slapping around and doing a bunch of weird stuff. It'll make for a really bad day. Hey, look at that. Almost looked like I knew what I was doing. Almost. Let's not get crazy here. It should last. Looked like it had a crack in it and some rust in it when it first broke off, so I'm not too worried about it. Eventually this truck's going to get all new suspension front and back. I'm still going to stay with the solid axle in the front, like the Gasser style. I like that 60s hot rod race car style. So it's definitely always going to be kind of like a Gasser, but it just needs upgraded. Probably get a tube axle at some point in its life, and some real drag racing suspension on the back, or at least a ladder bar, and a lot bigger motor at some point. Probably going to stay with the big block just because I like the big block sound. Nothing to me sounds as good as a big block Chevy on open headers, in my opinion. Alright, so there you are. There would be that problem. Shock's nice and straight up and down, so I think I did good there. While you guys weren't looking, I ran that red wire there down underneath the truck and back over to the battery, which I still need to get proper connector. I just wanted to make sure everything was going to work. I need to go get a new switch for the dash. I want to get a new switch for the dash, put in that hole up there, so that'll be cool. Once that's all done, I need to get under there and zip tie everything now, but it is out of the way and off the exhaust. And we have shocks on this side and that side. We still need to make shock brackets and mounts on this in the back, so that's coming soon. Hopefully I can get some customer stuff out of the way eventually, and then we can really get to work on our stuff out here, because they are definitely neglected. To say the very least, they're neglected. Well, that's just a quick maintenance repair type of deal, but we'll get there. I just don't have the room or the time, you know what I mean? If I have time, then I don't have room. That's what it is. We just got back from off-road games, so that's really cool. That's what I'm doing today, is just unpacking the truck, putting some of the t-shirts away and stuff that I didn't sell, which I did sell quite a few, and I appreciate everybody who bought a shirt and everything. There's no light in here. All we got is lap belts in this truck, so we can't go too crazy. I need to put harnesses in here. You have a good day? Looks like our day's getting better. Should we launch it? Yeah? One little launch? Okay, ready? Wasn't that cool? It just wanted to spin. It didn't even go anywhere.
Wanted it to spin?
All I did was spin the tires. Like a crazy person like you. Little bumpy road. I knew he'd be happy when he seen this truck. That's why I brought it. I knew Azure would be happy.
I was stopping at the gas station.
You want to go to the gas station so you can look cool? Yeah. Okay, we can go to the gas station and get a drink. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, we can go gas station, get you a drink, I guess. Okay, we're almost back.
Now we're already back.
We're already back. We'll go for a cruise probably soon. I need to do a little more work to this truck. We should probably put better seat belts in it. Well, did you have fun?
Yes.
You did? Should I pick you up from school in this again? Maybe again, huh? And again, and again, and again, and again. Okay, bye. Tell everybody bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Well, I guess it's safe to say my niece likes the 55, so that was cool. I always love doing that, picking her up from kindergarten. I'm going to do it a couple more times this year. I need to get the truck out more, maintenance more. One thing I want to tell you guys was thank you. I had such a blast at the off-road games. We had a ball. Thanks to Jim and his lady for the awesome respirator. It's over here on my shelf. I am going to get a battery for it. That was in the comments. Absolutely. I am definitely going to get a battery for it. I'm definitely going to use it. So we appreciate you. We thank you guys so much. Everybody that bought a shirt, who supported us, came up, gave us a howl, shook our hand. We appreciate you guys. We're going to keep on going, keep on rocking. Thanks, man. We appreciate it. Thank you so much. From my family to yours, I hope everybody out there is healthy and good. And I know a lot of guys in the comments are retired and stuff, you know. We appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. And, you know, keep your spirits up. Hope everybody's happy and healthy. And let's keep on going. We're all just hanging out in the garage. I feel like a lot of people came up and told me that at the games that, you know, when I watch your show, I just feel like I'm just kind of hanging out with you. So that really means a lot to me. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate you, Jim. Thanks again. But yeah, we appreciate you guys. Have a good night. Hope everybody's doing well. And let me know in the comments what you guys want to see more of. I think we're going to do a lot more of our trucks coming up just to get them going. Going to do a few more customer cars, and then I think we're going to do some of our stuff. I'd like to get the chopped Ford back in here. I really need to get that 55 in here, and we have another surprise that I'm going to get to very soon. So thank you guys. We appreciate you, and that's all I have to say. Good night, guys.